Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. How are we all doing? Hope we are good, we are fine. So guys, in today's video is not a Samoa, is cooking. So today I want to show you how to cook Nigerian turkey stew. Simple way and very delicious. Okay, so here is our turkey, but I'm also mixing it with chicken. You can cook only chicken, you can cook only turkey. So, and here is the tomato I'm going to use. I'm using multi. You can use fresh tomato, and I'm using multi paste. Multi, I call it multi. Multi paste. And here is my salt, curry powder, and nutmeg. I have thyme also. And here is the pepper. Don't be scared, I'm not using all this pepper. Okay, and here is my Maggi cube. I will use to steam and also use to cook. I will use two to cook and use two to steam. And here is my spicy my seasoning. So I'm using this chicken spicy. Okay, so guys, let's cook this together. Okay, so I'm going to wash the meat now and steam it with pepper, onion. I also have crayfish. I did not bring out my crayfish, so I also have crayfish, and I will season it and I'll take you guys along, but this is going to be off camera. Okay, so come with me guys, let's cook this delicious Nigerian stew. Okay, so I'm done steaming the meat. This is the meat and the stock, so I just transfer it here so that I will use the pot. So guys, our pot is on fire now. I'm going to allow it to dry before adding groundnut oil. Sorry, I did not show you in the beginning. So the pot is well dry now. I'm going to add groundnut oil. And allow it to hot very well before adding our salt. So now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I don't want the oil to hot very well. And allow it for some minutes, like 1 minute, okay, before adding the fresh tomato. Some people add tin tomato before fresh tomato, but me, I add fresh tomato first. So now I'm going to add our fresh tomato that I showed you earlier. So I did not parboil mine, I just filter it. So I'm going to leave this to steam very well before adding the tin tomato. So I'm going to cover it now and allow it to steam very well. So I'm going to check the stew now, the tomato, to check if it's boiling. As you can see, it's boiling very well. So I'm going to add the paste now. Sorry, because I'm using one hand to stir the stew, and I use one hand in holding my camera, so bear with me guys. and I'll also allow it to boil very well. Cover. Guys, so let's check our stew now. As you can see, our stew is well cooked. Our tomato is well cooked. So I'm going to add curry, thyme, nutmeg, the seasoning, and Maggi all together. I'm going to stir it. And I'm going to cover. Guys, can you see our delicious stew? Don't worry about the mess. I'm going to clean it later. So I'm going to add stock, because the stock, look at the stock. So I'm going to add so that before I will add salt and also the meat. Oh, I'm going to eat this one. And stir. So this is our turkey and chicken stew that I add, but it's only turkey stew that I wanted to cook, but I just add chicken because my husband likes chicken. You see, you stir proper. I'm going to test now so now I'm going to test the stew if I'm going to add more salt on it. So I will now cover it to thick very well. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Let me wash my hand. This is your original Nigerian stew. Homemade though. You feel am. So let me cover it now. So I'm going to add my crayfish and pepper. I blend and stir. So guys, our stew is ready, but I'm going to allow it to thick more. See, so put it in the comment section 2 things I did not add in this stew. Your turkey stew is ready, and your chicken stew also is ready. So what are you going to eat this with? Rice, yam, agidi, or what? Or fufu? Which one do you like eating your stew with? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Facebook page Sharon and Chris TV, TikTok Sharon and Chris TV. Stay safe and be good. So share, like, comment the 2 things I did not put in this stew. Okay, though some people don't eat it, some people eat it, so put it in the comment section. Let me know if you get it. Bye, stay safe and be good. We love you. Mwah. Ciao.